a minute till the open. I think most everybody knows this. Advanced traders, you can trade through the open. Those still struggling to get consistent. Wait 6 minutes till 9:36. If you want to do, if you want to double bottom off zone, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Are you talking about this?
YM or ES? Or both?
I think that's what Boss Hog's talking about.
You got to sell a buy signal on the ES if anybody
Definitely
took
got
it.
the buy signal.
If anybody took it. Yeah, that's what.
Really close to the open. If you guys did it, stay in it. And a couple seconds here. You're open for business, guys. No trading for first 6 minutes unless you're already in the long trade and have your stop in. It's the only thing that you can be. Did anybody jump in the long before you open? Anybody do that? Boss Hog, good job. Green Jeans, good job, guys. Nice little long trade from a prior swing. So now you just squeeze your stop up a little bit. Maybe 74 on the YM. And you could probably use, like I said, maybe a little bit of a push up on the open. We'll see if it stays above the zone that you're currently in. You guys are going to want to be long heavier. If it doesn't, rolls back over, we'll have pretty good confirmation. This will continue to act like a inside morning until we get that's little news. So you might want to squeeze your stops up a little bit more, maybe on the ES. 250 maybe. YM. Squeeze those stops probably up to about 306, 305, 306. Maybe a little bit tighter now on the ES. Still hanging around that zone a little bit. Got a little bit of an M. Looks like it wants to form. So you might want to lock in a couple more ticks here. Maybe 4 even on the ES. YM stop's probably good right now. Still trying to mess around with that zone. So this is where we kind of see if. Nice job, Boss Hog. What an entry. What a little entry. That's nice. I mean, both
Nice.
ES, prior swing, right,
Great.
guys? Prior swing, prior swing. Yeah, it is great, right?
Great
Awesome.
entry. Wow.
Same on the YM. So ES, you guys see this. This is how this works. Prior swings. This is why we track prior swings, guys. YM, same thing. A little congestion comes down right to that little area. Bounces right back off of it. That's a long trade. All right. Now you want to lock in a couple more ticks. Say YM, you'd probably want to at least be at 315. Maybe a little bit higher now. 325 on the YM, probably a decent stop. ES. Still toying with that zone, but maybe you could use this little prior swing as your stop, or maybe a couple ticks below that. So at least 550. YM, a couple more ticks. Probably 336. Maybe a couple more ticks on the ES, guys. Still hanging around that zone a little bit. So kind of at the point now in the trade where you lock in whatever number of ticks are that you want and see if it wants to break higher. Pretty much the same thing on the YM now. You're pretty much at the spot here where they, okay, either I'm going to lock in the number of ticks I want and leave my stop there, see if it's going to break higher, or squeeze that stop up and possibly be flat. Maybe a tick or two higher, like 342. ES consolidation up here around the zone. It's up to you guys. Those that were long, just lock in the number of ticks you want. You don't have to follow the stop now at this point. Lock in the number of ticks that you want to lock in. There'll be another opportunity. And we should be getting pretty close to 6 minutes, huh?
Yeah, almost
Nice,
there.
Boss Hog. That's it. There's get green, get going Fridays, guys.
Yep. Prime example.
And guys, celebrate. Oh, geez. Voice cracking again. Figured out what it was. It's allergy season for me here.
What allergies do you have down there? Pollen?
I don't know. For some reason in the fall time, when it starts getting later in the summer into the fall, I start to get allergies. I don't know what it is. It's some plant.
6 minutes up.
Here we go. Free to trade around the country. Oversold stochastics. Wait for that. Be patient. Just because 6 minutes is up, just because 6 minutes are up doesn't mean that you should just jump in a long trade or a short trade. You might want a little W. You might want a bigger retracement, something that fits in your trade plan. If you take a long trade from here, guys, get your targets off quick. All right, ES. You guys should have targets off if you did it. Exactly at 6 minutes. There you go. Little W. Little W action right at 6 minutes on the ES.
Had to be quick.
You guys getting a piece of that right at the 6 minute mark. Those of you ES traders. That's your chance. Targets off. Get your one trade, get done. No real buy signal on the YM, so you didn't really do anything yet. You should be able to no lose on the ES if you're long. Probably going to come back and take you now, but at least get to a no lose, whatever that is for you based on your entry. At least get to a no lose with those targets off. And selling through the zone. So below the zone, might want to sell it. Or just be patient, wait for a swing, and take that long trade. Same on the YM. May want to be patient unless you're shorting through the zone. Just be patient. Wait for that long trade. YM, you want to confirm that with like 16 tick rule or a nice little clean hook on stochastics. Got a first touch rule forming on the YM, first touch rule on the ES. Send that image. You might want to send that image in a support ticket, Deaton. On that little chat bubble on the right hand, on bottom right of the members area, Deaton. Click on that, send that in. All right, targets off, ES. It was your second chance at a nice little long trade on the ES, guys, with targets off. Don't expect a ton up here. Take what the market gives you, get your targets off. Move your stop. YM still hasn't given anything that says, hey, I'm really super confident on taking that long trade. So on the YM, you probably want to treat this like a little W. You probably want to confirm with a W kind of entry there. Your stops up. How many people did the ES long? You had your chance. 4, 1, 2, targets off. Stop to a no lose. There you go, guys.
Lulu.
There you go. All right. Now's the time where you say, if you're green, maybe you're done. No real opportunity except for on the short side of the YM yet.
But I'm not as green as yesterday. I have to stop.
Good job, Rick. All right. Be done for the day. So again, guys, unless you're shorting below the zone right now, you're waiting for a swing. Probably a little bit bigger of a swing at this point. Good job, Stretch. All right. Seriously, guys, those of you that got the 2 decent trades on the ES, or if you shorted the YM, you're done. Be done. I urge you. Just get done. Look at the ES right now. You want to trade this? You want to like take a shot on 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, and then all of a sudden you're gonna get stopped out the third time and give back all your profits? Is that really what you want to do?
That's exactly what will happen too.
Yeah, that's what's going to happen, you guys. You got 2 points. You got 2 or 3 points on the ES. Now, you keep taking a shot at that with oversold stochastics,
and
then one time you get stopped out and give back all your profits. Don't do it. Maybe you're happy with what you got. Maybe you got one more shot here, guys. Again, we want it to stay above what number to be happy longer. So if you did the long on the ES, again, you take your targets off, and now you seriously think about chilling out on the long side with the ES. Again, with the YM, you're just trailing your stop down on the short side. If you're waiting for a trend trade, you just got to be patient. That's it. Bill, did you do the long on the open? There you go, Damien. Yeah, good job. Bill, seriously think about that being your only trade then. Might want to be done after that one, buddy. Seriously think about that. It's a nice long trade on the open. Probably got, what, 40, 50 ticks, 40 ticks out of it, something like that. I mean, on an inside day like today, you might call that a morning. Just trying to make sure you stay safe, sir, and you keep that green in your trading account. It's exactly what I'm talking about in the ES, guys. Really want to be trading this? So again, unless you're shorting below the zone on the two-way environment, you're not doing anything right now. Maybe you're not doing anything because stocks aren't giving you anything to do, right? And you're done, Lulu. That's it. Switch to sim, you're done. Unless you're already in sim. I don't know if you had that prop account. If you did the prop account, now you switch to sim. Right, Lulu? If you did those two trades in the prop account, switch to sim. Okay. Okay. Hey, great decision. Great decision. Now you might be seeing a little bit of an opportunity on the YM. Again, I'd really feel more comfortable if you had like a little W action or take it from prior swing for the zone. ES is going to start to follow suit, pull back down with the like the YM has. So you really want to confirm any long with some type of W at this point, guys, on the YM. Watching those prior swings. Maybe a little W on the ES if you really want to push it on the long side. Got a W on the ES. If you haven't had a chance yet, everybody else that's gotten your chances, stop trading, please. If you got your profits, stop. No more trades. Just wait. Don't trade in this environment right now. If you're in cash and you've gotten your profits right now, stop trading. Do I need to say that again, guys? If you're in cash, you've taken profits right now, at this point in the day, be patient. Stop right now. Just chill out. If you're taking a chance on the long on the ES, get your targets off quick. If you're taking a chance on the long on the YM, get your targets off quick. You're just chopping along on the ES. I would really suggest I'm not even switching to the ES charts because I don't think you guys should be trading it right now. Let it swing, guys. Let a swing happen, then take the next trade. Thank you. Plus, I got like that. If you do the W on the YM, get your targets off quick. Then we're going to chill out for 10. All right. Now, everybody's had a chance to get a profitable trade, should be at this point. Right? So if you haven't traded and this is your first trade, you have your targets off on the YM, right, guys? And the ES. So hopefully I'll see a few more people who took this long trade, and this will be targets off, move your stop. If you get stopped out, maybe you chill out till 10. Anybody else do this is the last one in the morning until 10, guys. Anybody do it? All right, good deal. Good. Yeah, you're having an issue there. But I mean, seriously, guys, a few trades. Get just a few trades today. I don't care if you walk away with $75 today. Look at this. I mean, look at the ES, guys. You really want to trade that? YM's uptrend and can't even battle to the upside. Really want to be trading this? Come on. Had your chances. Yeah, good job, Boss Hog. And thank you for pointing that out. Boss Hog gets done for the day. As soon as a couple other people type in DFD, we'll get a couple gongs going. We'll be happy. Those of you that I think we got a few people just joining us on trial, a few people that have been here for a while. Those of you on trial, please make sure to watch the videos that we provided for you. They're basic, but they do give you kind of the not even kind of, they give you the Cliff Notes version of how we do things, what we're looking for. Those of you that just are showing up on trial, most of our members had a massive day yesterday on the short side. So we came in today planning to be conservative, taking it easy, getting very few trades, getting green, and we'll be out of here by noon today, guys. I'm telling you. Room will be closing by noon. As soon as everybody gets green, you guys are getting out of here. If you trade after that and give back your money, that's on you. Get green, get going on Fridays. And enjoy your weekend. I really don't think you guys should be doing anything right now, to be honest with you. You just use the ES right now. Look at the tick chart or the range chart and tell me which trade. There is one trade. Two trades. There's two trades that you could actually see come from this. One trade that could work today would be the
C word.
breakout from that. There you go. And then there's one more that we could possibly look at after 10 today.
It's setting up nicely too.
It seems like it's going to be a good day for it, guys.
Got the right range and everything.
Yep.
I like it. Let's do it.
Somebody say it. Breakout trade.
Boom.
This is also called there you go, Crable. So we can look at the Crable today or a breakout from this little consolidation on the ES. One. All right, Deaton. Crable's a really simple trade. You just take the 930 low from 930 the low from 930 to 10. The low at 930, whatever that was, and the high between 930 and 10. You have a buy stop above the high and a sell stop below the low. Let's see, do that on the. I was doing that with the ES, but same thing on the YM. Whatever that low, so the high is here on the YM, which don't see that being broken before 10, and then low is whatever low is going to be now between 930 and 10. So have a buy stop, a sell stop. ES, same thing. Whatever the 930 low was, or whatever the low is between 930 and 10, and the high between 930 and 10, a buy stop above, sell stop below. ES is setting up nicely for a Crable trade.
Yes.
YM a little bit wider of a range, but still could set up pretty well for Crable.
Yeah. Yes, is in that.
So definitely looking for the breakout.
Yeah.
So that's it. Yes, you're looking for the breakout one way or the other, whether it's Crable or breakout of the range. I still would say do nothing right now. Be patient. Wait till 10. You had your chances. You had your chances, guys. A lot of you guys should be getting done. Yep. No, we said it. We said wait till 10, wait till 10, wait till 10. Chanel, thank you. Thank you, Miss Chanel. She's the best, guys. She really is the best. I mean, you know, if you were short earlier on the YM, you could stay in that, obviously. It's about the only trade you've had on the YM is that short from the short below the zone, short from the sell signal, or this little short on the M trade. I wouldn't be looking at a long yet on the YM, guys. If you did, you took that target really fast and you're done. I preach you guys. If you guys are giving back money this morning, that's on you. I'm telling you, I preached it. If you get one profitable trade in, you seriously need to think to yourself, maybe this is it. I'm done. At least until after 10. Is there anybody that is short on the YM? Just curious, because I've been kind of chatting about being short on the YM for a minute. Sitting on the hands, good. Oh, before 10.
4,400. 44.75.
It's short on the YM. There you go. You need a stop, Brooke, or that's about where the stop would be anyway. About 273. Yep, we got it. So unless you're already in a short on the YM, you should be doing nothing. Unless you're already in short on the ES, you should be doing nothing until 10. Until after 10, actually. Excuse me. All right, Lope. Have a great afternoon. If you don't make it back before noon, have a great weekend. Let me just say it one more time. Seriously, guys, if you got green already, think about being done. See what kind of snake oil we're going to be fed here in a minute. Some snake oil. Here's what ails ya. I love it. Boss hog. It's that, guys. That's we call it Get Green, Get Going Fridays for a reason. All that precious capital that you build up through the week, you don't want to give it back on Friday. That's for sure. Anybody want to talk about anything else other than trading right now, since you're not going to trade until after, say, 10:05-ish? Like Italian ice?
Yeah, let's talk about Italian ice.
Why is it called Italian? Is it? I mean, like, it's just shaved ice, right?
Pretty much.
The,
We call them snow
Italians came
cones.
up.
We call them snow
Yeah, I was gonna
cones.
say. That's what I was gonna say.
Damn snow cone.
And South, they're called snow cones.
Yeah.
Let's take some water and freeze it. And wait, let's color it and flavor it first. Now it's Italian ice.
All right. There we go. Crazy time.
Don't take the initial move. Guys, don't take the initial move. You guys know that. Everybody's been around for a while.
That was quick, Lope.
You can have your Crables in now. Both
Yeah.
YM, ES. You could have a Crable in. If I stop, your sell stop.
410.75 on the ES.
I'm not gonna.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
if you want to post the numbers, post them.
Oh, I was just figuring them out.
You guys want us to post the Crable numbers? See if we can get it done before it happens.
You better do it quick.
All right, give it to me real quick.
ES 410. I'll give you the numbers. 410.50 top and 40.
Missed it. What is it?
410.50, and the bottom is
44.10.50.
Yeah, 44.10.50, and then 4400.75 in the bottom. So a tick above and below that.
YM.
To the top, we got 34.372, and at the bottom, we got 34.232.
34.232. Okay.
Tick above and below that.
Got it. There's your numbers for the Crable. Here's your sign. I think the ES would be nice for the Crable guys. I am a little wider weight-wise on the range, but still a decent day to look at the Crable. We don't do it often, but when you see these, especially the ES narrow range, very narrow range morning, very good chance Crable's going to work. 10:02, so a couple more minutes before Val starts barking. Well, we don't suggest newer people trading Crable trade. Like, you've got to be super fast, and especially with Powell speaking here in like 10:05.
Yeah, Powell speaking is the only red flag.
The only thing that would kind of keep you from, like I said, guys, just wait until after 10:05. I mean, obviously, if you did the Crable on the ES, you got targets off quick, and then you got the long side on the Crable on the ES. But you'd have to be a big risk taker. I mean, like I said, guys, wait until after 10:05. Don't get FOMO in an environment like this and have to be in a trade. Come on, guys. You guys know better than that. Nobody's doing this, right? Nobody's that crazy. You guys aren't that crazy, right? Please tell me that you guys aren't that crazy.
Please.
Come on. Okay. Thank you. Oh, Fritz, you didn't do it. Come on. You're just messing with me. Monica's that crazy? Oh, you guys are agreeing you're not that crazy. Okay. Damien, I know you're pretty crazy. We're trying to get the crazy out of you, though, Damien. As far as
Yeah.
the trading goes, you
Good
can be
job.
crazy in your real life. You can't be crazy here. We can be we're all crazy at Liberty Trading Club. We're just not crazy when it comes to trading. How about that?
This is true.
I affectionately refer to us as the Island of Misfit Traders. Get it? Get the reference? I got a straight jacket. I mean, if you guys want to gamble away your money, maybe you got lucky. Maybe you got lucky. I don't know. I wouldn't do it. We've been sitting here saying don't do anything until after Powell speaks. Ever since Chanel pointed out, right? I mean, all morning basically. What do we say back when the ES started chopping? Don't do anything until after 10, right? And then we're like, oh, wait a minute. Powell speaks at 10:05. Don't do anything until after 10:05. So if you're doing stuff now, you're a gambler. You are labeled a gambler. And you should not be trading. You need to quit trading altogether and pick up a new hobby. If you really want to treat this like a profession, you're not trading right now. If you know, some of you guys did it. I know some of you guys took trades during this. I told you I'm like Santa Claus. I know some of you guys did it, and a couple people got their butts handed to them. A couple people got lucky and made money. And then you're going to have that in your mind now, thinking that you're going to be able to do this and make money on a regular basis, and you are crazy. Help me out, guys. You guys know this, right? Yeah, I mean, like I said, that was luck. You got lucky, Stretch. Hopefully, you did it in sim.
Yeah,
I mean, you got when you have 10:05, when you have somebody like Powell speaking 5 minutes after Crable or 5 minutes after 10. That's a good one to kind of sit on the sides. It's just a crapshoot. That's all it is.
Yeah.
All right, Stretch. You got to keep your money. No more trading if you're in cash. Switch to sim. Good. Good, good, good. Oh, no. Oh, thankfully you are in sim. All right, good. Still different. Yeah. We had an issue with data on Swissit, so we could no longer say put our stamp of approval on Swissit. And you can use it individually, but we only try to approve the best of the best stuffs. All right, let it slow down a little bit here, guys. You might, you know what? Screw it. Just be patient. If you want to take a chance on a long trade, be my guest. But I think being patient is the way to go. Snake oil is still being sold. Yeah, I know I can't say oil right because I'm from the South.
Oh, bowl,
Oil,
bowl peanuts,
oil, huh? What'd you say?
bowl
Bull
peanuts.
peanuts? Yeah. Get some oil and bull peanuts. Get the chevron.
True colors.
Was it?
Yeah, this thing is.
Did anybody gamble on that long trade? Anybody do that? I mean, I'm still saying be patient, but if you did, take your profits. Be happy you made money. Anybody? No gamblers here? Oh, there you go. Trade Biz. Thank you, Lupe. Trade tracking software. That's what snake oil is for. It's pretty cool. First touch rule. It stops being crazier, guys. When it stops being crazy, we'll look at it then. But you had your opportunities early before, right, guys? Think about it. 410, actually before 9:45, there were some good little opportunities this morning. A couple good little opportunities. Be happy with what you got today. Don't be. We're. I don't know how to say this. You know, you look at the chart and you say, "Oh, but there's so many good opportunities here. Look at these swings." Yeah. Do you really? If somebody tells you they know this is going to go up from here, it's going to go down from here through this crap. You know, look at this. Come on, guys. Where's 10? You knew if somebody said they knew this was going to happen, liar, 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 pants on fire, liar, 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 pants on fire. Oh, you don't know that. If you got lucky and got one of these trades, then good for you. You got lucky. You're a gambler too. If you're doing it, you're trading through this, then seriously would advise stop trading forever. Just stop trading forever. Don't trade another day in your life. Is that good advice? Green Jeans, what do you think? Would you agree with me? Boss Hog, Green Jeans, anybody? Coaches?
Absolutely.
if you're trying to make money right now trading, and in the past 14 minutes or in the past 25 minutes, if you've been trying to make money trading, you are a gambler and you don't need to be trading. You need to go put all your money down on black at the
Always bet on black.
every dime you have down, one spin. There you go. You need to get out of this group if you're trading through this. This is not what we do, guys.
Yeah, we don't want you if you're doing that.
I'm kidding. I mean, seriously. Now, now we're starting to get a little trend developed. Now we can, once things settle down a little bit, the market starts making its mind up. People have heard whatever these yahoos want to say. They've digested it. The crazy swings are starting to slow down. Once all that starts to slow down a little bit, then you can say, all right, let's look at some trades. And we're starting to see that now. So now we can say, all right, we've got a pretty clear direction. Market's probably going to want to go up now, right? So above 10, we want to stay on the long side. Above 20 above 320 on the YM. So now you can start looking at those long trades on the YM and ES. Just takes a little patience. All you got to do is wait for a little pullback, or you have a little breakout long, one or the other. Be patient. I told you guys we're going to do it real slow this morning. Real slow. I think we've officially only had, 3 trade calls on the ES and 2 on the YM. That's it. Officially 3 trade calls. You guys can be long now, by the way. Or wait for a pullback. If a bull flag's not in your trade plan, don't take it. If the bull flag's in your trade plan, take it. If the bull flag is not in your trade plan, you wait for a little pullback and get long. Called no FOMO. We don't get FOMO here. There you go. Nice little bull flag entry from Boss Hog. Oop. What time frame are you on there? There's your pullback, guys. I'll just let it pull back a little bit. Be patient. Be patient. It's funny how it just came right out of his zone on the ES. He still took profits, so that's good. See how it just comes. Look at those zones working. YM didn't quite push up to the zone. He still took profit out of Boss Hog. It's all right. All right, let pull back, guys. Just be patient. Just be patient. Let's see here. Got another speaker at 11. Another speaker at 11:30. Again, like I said, guys, we're going to take it real easy today. Slow and steady. No need jumping in anything. Got a lot of people selling you snake oil today. And if you're biting on it and you're pressing the button to everything that wiggles, there's a good chance you're going to get tore up. What did we tell you? We told you guys get your trades in early. It looks like I know. Again, I want to keep saying this because it's the truth, guys. It looks like you're missing a lot. Look at the YM. Looks like you're missing a lot. But who? I mean, you really did have. Tell me you had confidence in a long trade from here until it broke that swing high. Nope, didn't. ES isn't staying above 10. So you really do have confidence in a long trade, right? Same on the ES, right? Telling me you had confidence in a long trade from here. Nope, not until it broke the swing high. That was it. That's all you can have right now. Now you got to be patient. You're either short or on a coin flip short trade, or you're being patient, waiting for a nice little long signal. Or you're just being patient and let the market decide what it wants to do. Still the frame of mind that you had one chance there, break of the swing high, prior swing high, and that was the only thing you could take the profit on. That was it. We call a short trade. It's still a two. Look, guys, are we still in a two-way trading environment? Is it still acting like an inside day?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay, so now we've got a little bit of confirmation. So we got to start going back through what we thought about this morning, right? Should act like an inside day early. Bias will be to the long side unless we get stay below the lower zones. Best traders can trade two ways. So now we're starting to see that. So the last thing you want to do is look for a higher probability, lots of trades with confluence. Still. Yeah, and that's another thing too. Like, you're not getting a ton of confluence here, guys, on really anything. Momentum's flat, both YM, ES. Yeah, you're bouncing off a lower zone on the YM, but still, market's acting erratic right now. Is it going to swing up again? Roll the dice, right? If you're guessing on a swing back up, you're roll the dice. I'm not going to tell you to do it. Yesterday was way too easy. This morning, few good trades. That's it. I don't know how many times I have to say that to keep you guys out of trouble today. If you want to roll the dice on a long trade, be my guest. Do it. But why? Why do that? Why do that? You know what's going on. Everybody knows what's going on right now. Huge market manipulation. And the excuse for the manipulation, the excuse for the market manipulation is just because the yahoos are speaking. And this is where newbies, novices, most traders are sitting here pressing the button. Oh, I'm going long. They go long. They go long at the high. Got stopped out. All right. I'm going to go short. Go short. Boom. Get stopped out. Come on. Click, click, boom. That's what it is. And again, nobody wants to hear this. Nobody wants to hear just don't trade. And I'm telling you that today. How many of you guys got a couple little trades early and got green? We've got, I know of at least 15 people. Got a couple little trades early, got green. Well, maybe more than 15. There's a few people saying yes that I didn't know of. Okay, hi guys. You all of you guys, 20. Dang, all right, way more than I thought. Newbrook was green. Good job, guys. Yeah. Well, I guess in this environment,
Yep.
you got your trades in before. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep your green. Come on, guys. Keep
What are
your
you trying
green.
to say? What are you trying to say?
Yeah. Well, maybe today, maybe you just kind of throw the towel in today and say, you know what? I'm not going to trade unless this thing picks a really clear direction.
Yeah, I would venture not to trade because your mind's probably very distracted.
Yes. Thank you, Coach Paul.
There'll be plenty of trades.
And again, guys, you know what's going to happen. Yahoo after Yahoo after Yahoo is talking today, and somebody's going to say something, and all of a sudden the market's going to run up, and then somebody's going to say something, and all of a sudden it's going to run down, and just an excuse for the institutions to take your money. That's all it is. It's an excuse for the institutions to take your money. Don't give it to them. Don't do it. Capital Preservation Day, guys. Capital. We started the day off with this. Number one thing today: preserve capital. The number one thing today: preserve capital. Huge day yesterday. Preserve that precious capital, guys. Look how many range candles we've already formed. Look at that. That's out of the ordinary. There's so many signs here. There's no ticks aren't even like reliable. Support and resistance. Yeah, you could make a case that both YM, ES ran right up to resistance and ran right down to support, which did happen. So you're saying, oh, okay, well, now that it's in support, I'm going to take a buy signal. No, come on. Preserve your capital, guys. I know it's going down from here. Okay. All right. Get in a short trade then. I don't know it's going down from here. What I do know is if it stays below the lows we talked about, or if it stays above the high, the 10 and 320, if it stays above 10 or 320 on the 10 on the ES or 320 on the YM, then we're going to be looking at long trades. If it stays below the lows, we're going to be looking at short trades. That's what I do know. So you wait until one of those two events happen. What are we looking at? We're looking at down here on the YM, right? Oops. Down in this area on the YM. Stays down there. Probably want to look at where it's. Yes. There's a daily. See our little guideline here. Price didn't want to stay above it. Price. Does price want to stay below this little area on the ES? What are we looking at? Looking at the same kind of spot on the ES. Wants to stay below it, then you can look at the short trades. All right, Boss Hog. Great job this morning. PPC. PPC. People picking Crables. People picking crackers. Just kidding. Yeah, preserve your precious cap. I knew what you meant, Captain K. I was just screwing around. I hope you knew that. Seriously, guys. Capital Preservation Day. Don't guess. Here, let's do this. Let's play a game. You guys want to play a game? You ready? You want to play a game? You guys point a high probability trade out to me. Give me an if then statement. If the market does this, then I would be willing to take this trade. Give me that. Come on, let's do this, guys. This at least gives you some thought process. So, Lulu, you're in. Give me an if then. If the market does this, then I'm willing to do X. Monica, same thing for you. If the market does this, I'm willing to do Y. All right, guys, everybody, start do it. Think of it. Think through this. Start looking at the charts. Look around and say, oh, okay, maybe if X happens, then I'm gonna do Y. Look around through your charts. You find something. Find a few points of confluence and say, hey, if this happens, then I might be willing to do this. Same on the YM. Look around your charts. If something, look just look around. Start looking at price levels, start looking at support and resistance, look around at price action, say, okay, well, if the market does, I might be willing to do X. All right. So if the market breaks 378, then willing to go short. That's probably good. Okay, Captain K, 78. That's probably not a bad. That's really probably not a bad thought process, Captain K. The market goes below 100. I would probably be down for that too, Monica, because that's gonna get you down to right at support though. So you might want to say, Monica, you might want to say, if the market stays below 100, then I would short heavier. All right, Monica? If the market stays below 100, you want to jump in at 100, see what we got. Market, same on you, Lulu. If the market stays below 81, still not a bad one. I'm okay with 81, but you want to change that statement to if it stays below. Don't take the first trade below it. That's a good one, Farouk. There you go. I like that. I like that. We reached 15-minute support. Might look for, which actually would coincide really well with that 81 number that Lulu gave. So Farouk, I actually like that. That's a good process. That's a good, guys. Farouk is a good example. That's a really good example of your if then statement. Thank you, Farouk. Good job. John, that's a good thought process. All right, Green Jeans. I'm not trying. I hope you understand, Green Jeans. We weren't trying to keep you from not trading, but there was no way to predict what was going to happen. You know that too. I know you know that.
Yeah.
Have a great meeting though, and a great weekend.
Have a great weekend.
No Green Jeans knows that.
Yeah.
Do we have it? Sabri, come on. What have you been listening to Sabri?
I think he just got
Do we
on.
have a trade? Has my mic been off?
Yeah.
Oh, you just got on, Sabri?
Yeah.
I
I think he just got on.
I was thinking starter. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you were thinking starter.
Sorry, Sabri, Michael. I'm sorry. Man.
Starter.
Yeah, I'm sorry, starter. Both of you.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here about to be like, have you not been listening to me yell at everybody that if you're trading through this environment, you're a gambler? No, we're not. We're think about it like this, Michael, Sabri. Think about it like this. I always call you Sabri, so you've never told me not to, so I'm gonna keep doing it, even though Paul calls you Michael. I know I'm probably wrong, but think about it like this, Sabri. Every time something comes out of one of these people's mouth, there's gonna be a knee-jerk reaction. And unless you know what that knee-jerk reaction is gonna be, then we're trying to tell everybody to preserve capital. Great day yesterday. Why give anything back today? We had a lot of people get a little green this morning. And yeah, again, you guys, let's see. Who's trial people that participated? Let's pick on a couple. Those of you that are on trial again, the newer trial people, this is not a normal day for us. But do you really want to gamble through all these talking heads, and every time they say something, it's just going to flip the market one direction or the other? You don't want to do that. It's gambling. We had a huge day yesterday. But who participated? I think Casey has been participating some. Casey, you've seen how we do things in a normal environment. That's the only person I see that's participated in trial. Some. Oh, Mike has some too. Yeah. So you know why we're being so cautious today, right? You guys know that. You guys on trial know why we're being so cautious today. Now, if you're newer to us, you're like, these guys don't ever take a trade. No,
We're just the room. We don't trade.
right? So, if you were here the past 2 days, you saw pretty freaking awesome stuff. We're just not going to gamble. That's all there is to it. So hopefully, those of you who've been around for a couple of days, yeah. Why would you want to gamble through this crap, guys? Yeah, it on paper, looking at the chart, it looks like you missed out on some huge trades. In reality, if anybody told you they knew price action was going to act that way, they are lying to your face. So hopefully you guys understand that. And those of you newer on trial, let the people who participated in trial, Mike and Casey, you both saw how we actually do things in a normal trading environment, right? So help the other trial people out and say, yeah, we're just trying to do the right thing and make sure you guys are being safe. If you guys would, I'd appreciate that. That way the trial people that are just showing up today come back Monday. Oh. These guys didn't take a single trade. I'm not coming back Monday.
It's so funny. I was listening to you talk because I have a friend who does that. He's a Monday morning quarterback. Like he'll come back and tell me he doesn't trade. I mean, at least not on a regular basis. Like he'll look at the chart and say, well, if you'd have just put 2 here and forgot about it, you'd have made so much money. I'm like, yeah,
oh my God.
No way on earth you would have known he's going to do that today.
Nope.
I'm going to get that call later. He's going to tell me, oh, this has been a great day.
Yeah.
And it's like,
okay, this would have been a great day. All you had to do is short it.
Yeah. Yeah, just short
it
right
at
at
the
the top.
Short it from 380, 389.
Right.
That's all you had to do.
That's exactly what he'll say to me too. He'll say, yeah, I just put 2 right here and forget about it. Sure.
We can get a little bit more confident in the shorts. So Farouk's statement, right, guys? Well, so that's the point, Lulu, right? That's the exact point that I was trying to make. Yesterday, you could have Yesterday, you could have pressed a button. Fine. That's not every day. And we knew that was the environment we were in yesterday. I literally told you guys, sell every rally. And we were okay with pressing a button more often to turn that cash register. But today, you guys got to look at this and say, you look back and just say, what's happened since 10? More range bars than we normally see. Swings, big swings. Well, every time somebody said something that just gave the big boys and girls a reason to manipulate you. Just gave more reason. Now, all of you guys with your if-then statements from playing the game, now you guys can start looking at those statements, right? So you thought through it and you said, okay, well, if the price stays below X, now I'm more comfortable shorting. So you wait for rallies. And you might want to short it. Or you follow Farouk, right? Farouk, did you follow your plan? Light long off the 15-minute support. This was Farouk's plan. 15-minute support. Take a light long. And if it rolls over, switch to the short side. So there's my question. And I really liked Farouk's statement the best because that's a real well thought out thing. Bingo, Mike. Yeah, we know approximately where. Look, guys, look at the ES here. We know approximately where these people are going to be trading from, right? We do this every single day. We know approximately where the institutions are going to be trading from, and Mike just hit the nail on the head. Look on the right. Nope, I stepped out. That's all right. We know approximately. Look at this, guys. We have these zones in ahead of time. We can't make this stuff up. They were here already. We know approximately where these big boys and girls are going to be trading from. Mike hit the nail on the head there. Do we know when? Nope. I would sincerely ask, if you got green this morning, really think about just being done. Get green, get going Fridays. And I guarantee there's somebody out there in the trading world that's pounding their chest that caught the long, caught the short trade, and they're pounding their chest saying, "Oh, look how good I am."
Yeah.
Guarantee you there's somebody out there doing that.
Till Monday when they give it all back.
Because they took a guess. Yeah. Just you guys are always anytime you're a that's right, clock. It's true, Lobe. Anytime you're in a situation where there's a lot of uncertainty, like now, got a lot of speakers, got a lot of stuff going on. You got, Jackson Hole, you got virtually every half hour.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for a 3-day trial. During your time, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches, as well as access to our indicators, live classes, and training modules. After your first 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Visit libertytradingclub.com. Please like, subscribe, and share.